Evet, merhaba herkese. Bugün Overwatch 2'nin yeni modu olan, aslında yeni değil ama ben yeni başladım. Daha önce bana bayağı zor geliyordu ama bir süre sonra alıştığımı ve çok keyif aldığımı fark ettim. Dolayısıyla çok keyif alacağınızı düşündüğüm için böyle bir başlık, böyle bir yayın yapıyorum. Eğer siz de oynuyorsanız Overwatch, keyif alacağınızı umuyorum bu moddan. O yüzden hoş geldiniz yayınıma. Umarım keyifli anlar geçiririz hep beraber. Siz hangi oyunları oynuyorsunuz? Bana onu da söylerseniz çok sevinirim. Bana kalırsa çok fazla bizden oynayan yok bu oyunu. O yüzden merak ediyorum tepkilerinizi. Hadi bakalım. Alıştırmalara bakalım. Ben damage oynamıyorum fazla. Yani hasar veren karakterler oynamak yerine böyle daha zor karakterler seviyorum. Kamil. O yüzden hoşuma gidiyor böyle zor karakterler oynayıp iyi şeyler yapmak hoşuma gidiyor. Yine geliyor. Gel buraya. Hayır, hayır, hayır. Bu defa olmadı. Nasıl korkuyor ama, nasıl korkuyor? Nasıl korkuyor Kamil? Keyifli oldu ama ya, öldürebilseydim onu yumrukla bir daha. Ben bu hiç sevmiyorum ya. Şu pire var ya, pire. Kardeş, ben senin arkadaşım, tamam mı? Gel. Şu vuralım, gel. Ah, nasıl kaçırdım ben onu?
Şükran. Negative. No. ازيك؟
No, bu defa olmadı. Bu defa olmadı baba. Ne diyor?
I go out on my turn.
Yes, yes, yes, yes.
La.
Güzeldi ya. Ultisi boşuna harcadı maalesef.
لسه قدامي كتير. No.
Ultimiz de var.
Negative. عامل ايه؟
Çok iyi ya. O. Görüşürüz. Aha, bütün daha karta daha geldi.
No. La.
Bu da görünmez oluyor. Çok sinir bozucu ya.
Negative.
Hemen buradan şimdi karşıma çıkacak.
La. No. Negative. No.
Şerefsiz seni. Ayıp ya.
I'm not finished. La. No. La. No. Hush, little bitch.
Bir saate bana sıkı Kamil. Bir öldüremedi.
One of these
Seni
days
yakalayacağım.
I'm in Fiji. La. Now it's my turn.
Anca kaçarsın.
No recovery. I keep my seat. Negative. Hello there.
Çok iyi ya. O da gitti.
Ya.
Şimdi ise bu karakter kalmış. O da healer. Ama bir vurursa tüm mermileri kafamıza öldürürüz. Nerede acaba? Bir yerde gizleniyor olması lazım.
ازيك؟
Bence Yalon'un olduğu yerde. Ha, buradaymış.
Hush now. Salt for
Ah,
your wounds.
Ah,
I'm
öldü.
still a threat up close.
Terbiyesiz seni.
Ya.
Oh. Dalak geliyor.
Greetings.
Benden çaldı şeyi bu. Benden çaldı medkiti. İyi olmadı bu. İyi olmadı. Aslında kararsızdım ben. Belki dedim herhalde savaşmak istemiyor.
No.
Saluti.
Pressed up. Patched up.
Önden tutuldu.
Negative. Ahlan. Ahlan. Ahlan. Hello.
Oh, o da gitti. Herkes gidiyor.
Ya.
Bu şey tabii ısınma evresi. Maçı bulunan oyuna giriyor. Benim herhalde rankımdan dolayı hani ranksızım ya. O yüzden bana göre bir rank bulunmadı hala. O yüzden uzun sürüyor biraz. Çok uzun sürdü benim ya. Niye böyle oldu ki anlamadım. Hiç anlamadı ben. Bir müzik koyalım. Bu arada dinleyelim. Bakalım ne var repertuarda. Bununla başlayalım. Birisi gelmiş. Tamam, bu lobi bizim olacak galiba. Bu yeni dalga ile lobi kurulacak. Oh. Kim kimi vurdu?
La.
Bence araya hiç girmeyeyim. Bunlar savaşsınlar.
Sleep tight. Hello there. ازيك؟
Burada görürler mi acaba? Huş, kilimi çaldın. Beni arıyor.
No.
Good to see you.
Negative.
Disrupted.
No.
Croissant. Croissant.
Negative. No. Negative.
Benim arıyor Kamil. Beni arıyor galiba. Salak. Kamil vuruyor olmuyor. Kamil vuruyor.
La.
Alırım acaba?
No.
Croissant. Croissant. Croissant.
Negative.
Damn.
No.
Kamil buraya gol oluyor. Kamil buraya gol oluyor.
La. Negative.
Oh shit.
La.
Kamil ben sana bir şey yapmıyordum ki yani tamam. Tamam. Görüşürüz şimdi seninle.
Try harder than that.
Ultimiz de hazır basabileceğimiz. Neler oluyor burada? Kimin kime vuruyor belli değil.
لسه قدامي كتير.
Hadi abi. Bir maç başlayacak. Başlamadı hala. Hah, demek ki biz bu lafı söylememiz lazımdı olması için. Boy modunun en iyi yanı şey. Mesela bir karakterin nereden baksanız bir 50-60 tane özelliği var. Siz onu kendinize göre seçiyorsunuz. Karakteriniz oluyor bir anda Superman. Evet, şu müziği kapatalım bir. Sadece bizim müzik alsın. Selam çakalım arkadaşlarımıza.
Mama's got her eye on the prize.
Kimse sevmiyor burada konuşmayı nedense. Selam veriyorsun, selam bile veren yok. Ne acı. La la la la la. Aman Allah'ım bu karakter çok sıkıntılı ya. Umarım tankları kötü olur da bari.
The lineups are locked and we're ready for one heck of a match.
Bakalım şimdi ne olacak.
The stadium awaits.
Hello, welcome brother.
The teams are gearing up.
Evet,
Every choice is
şimdi
crucial.
¿Qué pasa, Tristan? ¿Cómo estamos? Bienvenido. Ya te entendí, ya lo sé. ¿Cómo estamos, chavales? ¿Cuánto tiempo? Creo que tenían
Only 20
una...
seconds left until we kick this round off.
Tienen un personaje que vuela. Esta nos vendrá bien. ¿Dónde está esta? Que hace extra daño a los que vuelan. Este se llama Overwatch. No me digas que no sabes. No me digas que no sabes, tío. No me digas que no sabes, tío.
Capture the objective.
Bueno, no es tan famoso, pero es antiguo.
The objective
Teşekkürler. Gracias por los corazones. Oh Dios. Casi me mata. Bro, this little soldier is... Get him!
Captain Chase is cleaning up.
Careful behind you, behind you. Dios mío, estoy muerto. Ay. Lo que pasa, este no es Overwatch normal. Es como un torneo. Puedes elegir habilidades, depende de tus gustos. Cada ronda te da opción de elegir habilidades mejores, depende de cómo quieras. Si quieres volar, vuelas. Si quieres saltar, saltas. Ahora no puedo. No me dejan, tío. No me dejan, tío.
It's go time.
Enemies left here.
60 seconds left.
Tío, me va a matar ese soldier.
Rescue that robot.
Dios, no puedo, chaval, no puedo. ¿No? ¿Te vas? No puedo, chaval. Y tenemos que matar a los que vuelan y no podemos. Esta ronda lo vamos a perder, sí o sí.
Nano boost almost ready. My ultimate is almost ready. I keep you up. Ready to deploy. They're moving the barricade. Coming in
¿A
to
quién voy a curar? Tío, no pude ultear. Iba a usar mi ulti al tank, pero murió tan rápido que no puedo. Sí, que no pude utilizar mi ulti, tío. Y aquí no puedes cambiar tu personaje. Lo que eliges te queda hasta el final de rondas, todas las rondas.
It's time for the teams to consult their playbooks.
Vale, como juego normalmente me gusta. O sea, si con esta habilidad, si disparas a la cabeza de un jugador, haces un daño tremendo. Me gusta elegir este y luego me gusta saltar porque me ayuda a escapar de malos momentos, con lo cual a ver si me da. No me deja. A ver. Sí, 15 segundos, 8 segundos.
Until we kick this round off.
¿Este qué es? Bueno, me gustaría este. Pero ese tarda 15 segundos. Vale, pues vamos. A ver. Vale. Vale. Nada más. Vale. Se están bien. Gracias, Drista, por venir, hermano. Me alegro de verte. Cuídate mucho, ¿vale? Chao. We are alone, tank. They are gone. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. No pudimos escapar. Malo, malo. No, chaval, estoy jugando muy mal. Estoy jugando mal.
come over here for you.
Tengo que estar con un tanque. Tengo que estar con ellos.
But at my position. Kneel down. It's just a scratch. You'll be fine. I needed that. Run.
Bro, we gotta stick together. We are so split, I can't heal everyone.
Group up with me. Group up at my position. My ultimate is almost ready. Nano boost almost
How much
ready.
left for your ult? Let me know.
Come here to get I'm on my way. You're powered up. Get in there.
Helden sterben nicht.
No, tío, no viene, no viene.
It's go time.
Dios mío ya. Vamos. Ay, ay, ay, ay. No puedo, chaval.
I go out on my terms.
Bakalım şimdi ne yapacağız? Can we please together? Ah, bueno, bien. Que no... Böyle de bir şey oldu. Yoksa takmakla karşı kullanacaktım. Panik yap Kamil. İyi kendimizi iyi kurban ettik valla. Kaçmak istemiyordum onu o anda.
Rendezvous at my position.
Bien. Good job. How did we make it, man?
The round is in the bag. Let's check the standings.
Good job.
2-1.
Dönün sırada. Bir şey yapmadım ama 8000 puanım var. Ortalamanın biraz üstündeyiz. Güzel.
Up next, rev those engines. It's time for a payload race. What tactics
Vallahi ben o
will
maçı
teams come up with
alabileceğimizi
this round?
hiç düşünmemiştim. Ama hiç düşünmemiştim. Şimdi bunun yerine acaba şunu alabilir miyiz? Bu daha kısa sürüyor. Bunu alalım. Sonra bunu kaldıralım. Bunu alamıyoruz değil mi? Hay Allah. Dur. Şimdi bunu alacağız. Sonra buradan seçmişim zaten. O halde başka bir şey kalmadı. Bu yani.
No.
Bu karta 20 geldi. Bir önceki oyundan mı çıktı acaba? Bunun screen böyle değil. Bunun screen böyle değil sanki.
Only 20
Ay
seconds
Allah.
remain before the action begins.
Ay Allah, silmişim ben yanlışlıkla onu. Heh, şimdi oldu. Tamam.
Negative.
Go go go.
I will not.
La.
3, 2, 1. And they're
La.
Ay Allah. Biraz soldier on the left side. We fucked up.
I still have some fight in me. Come over here.
Someone better get a fiery, because I'm on a roll.
Don't fetch. I see you.
And we've taken the first checkpoint. It can't get much closer than this.
Being fortified.
Abi nasıl oynuyor bizimkiler böyle?
Over here. Ayakça.
Absolutely running away with his race.
Hay Allah.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Captain Chase is cleaning up. Absolutely running away with this race.
Design at work.
Don't move. I can tell you.
Our team's flying into the final stretch.
They never learn. Snow. Group up with me.
Push the payload.
60 seconds remaining.
I am unbreakable.
They're leaving the opponent in the dust.
Wow.
I'm here. Keep fighting.
Oh shit. İyi olmadı bu.
Amateur. Nuvangada!
10 seconds remaining. Let's check the standings.
Wow, you crazy guys.
2-1. Let's have a look at our MVPs. Coming up, the teams are facing off in clash. The teams are gearing up. Every choice is crucial. Only 20 seconds left until we kick this round off.
Okay. Bunu al.
Croissant, croissant.
I will not juggle. I will not.
3, 2, 1. Commencing attack on objective B.
Tango in sight.
Geldim geldim geldim.
Unlocks in 10 seconds.
Wait for me, don't die.
Come here to get healed.
The objective's online. They lost that point. They'll need to fall back to objective C.
Rendezvous at my position.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. We are so split.
System design at work.
Goes live in 10. The objective is now active.
The Eye of Horus watches over you.
Oh my god, man.
This is not the end. Come over here.
I didn't know.
That's an objective secured. We're advancing to objective B.
On to the next point.
10 seconds.
Nuvangada! Helden sterben
I'm
nicht.
on my game
Oh my god. I can't, man. I can't.
Numerically superior.
One of these days I'll end up in Fiji.
Come back.
Come over here for you.
I'm ready to overclock.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
It's go time.
Oh my god, man. How I died. Bizim eleman kötü oynadı bu defa. Ben de kötüydüm de. Biraz daha yedim ondan.
Some
Hay
intense
Allah.
competition this round. Next up, put those hands together. It's time for push. Now's the time for our teams to work out their strategies.
Alright. A ver, ¿esto qué es? ¿Esto qué es? Quick scope, no me hace falta. Talo modification. Alright. Compensator, weapon grace, attack speed, biotic rifle. Let's go with this. Bunu alırsak bununla yer değiştiriyor. İstemiyorum öyle olmasını. Peki bunu kaldırırsak nasıl olur? Ya da şunu ya
The
da bunu.
teams have 20 seconds left to prepare for the round.
Kaldıralım ya. Bu ne? Bir deneyelim bakalım. Kalkanları var adamın baya. What is this?
Over here. No. No. Negative.
3, 2, 1.
Benim bu defa az ölmem lazım.
Group up with me.
10 seconds until the objective is unlocked.
Bro, I can't heal you. You're far away.
Don't check. I see you. Feeling fortified. They took him
From yourself.
Take you where you need to go. Patience and focus. We're outnumbered. Be careful.
Back up. I can't heal you. I can't heal. Where are you going? Hay Allah ya.
They're ahead of us. Stop them.
Supply back with its blood.
Aa, sıçtım. Hay Allah ya. Abi kimse öldürmüyor ki bunları. Adam arkadan bize sağa sola sıkıyor duruyor Kamil ya. Al. Evet, yine başlıyoruz. Yine aynı şey oldu.
I go out on my terms. I want what you take. Don't let them push any further.
Looks like the win was out of reach this round. Here's our score.
Alright.
to 3.
So good.
Quite the performance from these superstars.
Yok ya valla bizi oynatmadılar maalesef. O uçan karakter bizi mahvetti.
Control. What tactics will the teams come up with this round?
Hmm. Aa, 25 atak speed diyor ama ben buna ihtiyacım yok ki. Bana şey lazım ya. Bunu alalım, bu
The arena is ready and
adamları
racing. 20
uyutmamız
seconds to
sağlar.
go.
Ama bunun hangisini alırsam alayım. Neyse böyle olsun bakalım. Come on guys, let's show them.
It's the match point. Can the team turn it around? 3, 2, 1. Capture the objective.
Bro, kill the mercy and the other bird. That's it.
The objective goes live in 10.
Rendezvous, my position. Healed up. No.
Over here. Not ready to overclock just yet.
Adama çok iyi vurdun da ne yapayım yani?
I still have some fight in me. Come over here for you. Covering you. Keep an eye out.
Adam bana oynuyor valla. Adam bana oynuyor. Üçüncü şahıs oynuyor bir de. Görüyor geleceğimi.
You'll have to try harder than that. Come here to get healed. Come over here.
Yok ya maalesef olmadı. GG's abi, adamların heal'i de çok iyiydi, DPS'i de çok iyiydi. Bizimkiler sadece damage yaptılar. Unlucky. Adamın DPS'i çok iyiydi. Neyse inşallah burada bari şey olur. Ne derler? Daha iyi bir takım arkadaşlarımız olur. Haydi bakalım. Görünüşe göre bu saatte kimse ranked oynamıyor. Biz yine aynı modda devam edeceğiz ama bu defa yani ranked modu değil. Bu normal moda gireceğiz. Aynı şey. Sadece rank puanı kazanamayacağız ama daha hızlı başlar diye düşünüyorum. Bunu artıralım. Ambient'i artıralım. Bu ne oluyor bilmiyorum. Light'in önemli değil. Model iyi. Medium olsun bu da. Bakalım ne değişecek burada.
Welcome to Maleventu.
Welcome to Maleventu.
Leave a broken world behind. Healed up. Not the first.
Salak. Allahu Ekber. Yavşan. Ronda var orada. Neyse ki oyundan gitti.
Patched up.
Okumuş duamız vardı ya.
Kill confirmed. Ahlan.
Ha sıçtık. Kaçadık ya, nasıl sıçtık ya. Neyse ki maç başladı.
Welcome to the stadium. First up,
Vallahi az daha adam içimizden geçecekti yani. Evet,
honors
maçın
got her eye
başladı.
on the prize.
Level'lara bakarsak bu çok düşük level ya. Umarım iyi yapar. Bu da düşük level. Bu daha iyi. Çok daha iyi. 8 level. Ben daha iyi. Ben o bir kartta daha iyi.
Hold on to your hard drives, folks. The game is about to begin. Folks, this is a match you'll want to watch.
Adam diyor ben de ilk defa diyor Tracer'la oynuyorum diyor. Eğer kötü oynarsam
Time for the teams to gear up.
kusura bakmayın. Bir de bunu deneyelim başta. Bunların iyi var mı acaba? Kan karakteri var. Yani bizim on lazım. Spill.
The teams have 20 seconds left
Tamam.
to prepare
Şimdi
for the
bununla
round.
öldürürsek onu havada iyi olur. Daha güzel. Bu saatte sağda yaratmamız lazım. Ben başar.
ازيك.
Şimdi bir de şeyimiz yok yani. Bak guys. Who's gonna kill Farah? Yo.
3, 2, 1. Capture the objective.
Benim öyle bir yer almam lazım ki onu öldürebileyim. We're gonna focus on Farah. Otherwise we fucked up.
I won't let you fall. Come here to get
The
healed.
objective goes live in 10.
Kaçtı vallahi yapacak.
Taking damage.
The objective's live.
Yer değiş, yer değiş, yer değiş. Abi ne yapayım ya? Hangi biriyle uğraşayım ki ben? Çok can sıkıcı.
I still have some fighting. Come over here for healing.
Neyse ki diğerlerini öldürebildik.
我要开空调了。
Rest up. Go get them, tiger. Heal up.
Try and shoot me. You won't.
I know how to shield that blade. No recovery. My ultimate is fully charged. Get in there. Lucky. Keep up with me. My ultimate is ready. Get in there and I will boost you.
Ne bassam acaba?
Don't fret. I see you.
Şak.
Enemy trapped here. Hope this helps. Keep fighting.
Come here and I'll heal you.
Güzel güzel güzel gidiyoruz.
Keep fighting.
Who's using a tire? Not me. 我要开空调了。
Ha sıçtık sıçtık valla. Hay Allah. Hay Kübülay, hoş geldin. Valla İspanyol'dayız, İngiliz'deyiz, Türkçe'de biliyoruz, her şeyi biliyoruz. Hoş geldin.
I'm not finished.
Bir öldüreyim ben ya valla.
It was a hard fight, but they lose this round. The score is
Nasıl gidiyor?
0-1.
Come on guys, we
Let's
almost
have a
got
look at
that.
our MVPs.
Nasıl gidiyor?
Up next, let's push. Now's the time for our teams to work out their strategies.
No scope needed. Acaba onu alsam mı ya? Dur şimdi. Tutlamayı alalım. Daha sonra bir silelim. Tamam mı? Ondan sonra jump'ı da alalım. 2 defa jump'ımız olsun. Sonra bunu alalım. Bu neymiş? Daha büyük mermiler. Bunu da alalım. Benim anlamadığım niye chat'teki diğer dilleri her şeyi çevir. Ben de senin İngilizce konuş. Galiba Türkçe yazın değil mi? Ha, evet gördüm. Yok İspanyol değilim. Ama konuşuyorum. Sen kaçları biliyorsun?
You have learned well. Hush, little baby.
Only 20 seconds remain.
Acaba üçüncü şahıs nasıl olur ya? Kontrol, stadyum nerede? Neredeydi bu ya? Stadyum. Olmadım. Gameplay, control. Girdi bu. Üçüncü şartlasam daha mı iyi olur ya?
Capture the objective.
Daha mı iyi görürüz acaba? You're farting, you're farting, you're farting, nice. Para is low.
I see you.
Hay Allah. Hay hay.
We're outnumbered. Be careful.
Took the robot from us. Don't let him push it.
I couldn't see that guy, motherfucker. Nasıl gördü beni yavşak? Nasıl gördün lan sen beni öyle ha? Nasıl gördün abi?
Lista قدام كتير.
They're so close to taking the lead.
Alırız ya o uçağın kuşu.
An ultimate shutdown.
superior number. أنا ما حدش يقدر عليا. That must sing.
Adam havada ölmüş lan, nasıl oluyor?
Taking care of you. They've pushed past us.
Bana is low. Yok ya, bu hoş değil. Hiç hoş değil vallahi bu. Hiç beğenmedim.
Nano boost is
I
ready
got my
to
ult.
roll.
Who has ult?
I am unbreakable. Enemy in sight. I won't let you fall. Taking the lead.
30 seconds left.
Patience and focus. Getting drowsy. Hope this helps.
Ah, this motherfucker is on the door.
Only 10 seconds left.
Shoot me if you want.
You'll have to try harder than that.
Overtime.
We must get the
Come on, come on, come on, come on. I tried to. Gotcha, motherfucker. Bro, bu adam çok sinir bozucu ya. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Let's him push that barricade. Here comes the bomb.
This is not the end.
Beat this Spartan.
Oh my god. Ah, hiç yapamadım ya. Bana oynuyor yavşağa bak, bana oynuyor bak, yavşağa bak. Nice man, good job.
Standings.
Holy shit.
2-1. Some intense competition this round. Coming up, we're picking up speed with a payload race. What tactics will the teams come up with this round?
Adam uçuyordu diye sayılmadı onun orada olması. İyi oldu. Bu neymiş? Daha mı fazla damage yapıyor bu, anlamadım. Dur bakalım, bunu almayalım, dur. Ne var burada alabileceğimiz başka bir şey? Bana şey lazım ya. Lan kuş var ya. Aha. Bu iyiye benziyor.
The teams have 20 seconds left to prepare for the round.
Kararsız kaldım, iyi mi? Hadi böyle olsun bakalım.
No.
Shameless. Astro Heals.
And we're diving right in.
Oh my god.
The opposing team reached the first checkpoint.
You'll have to try harder than that. Keep up with me.
Don't kill that motherfucker, man.
Our team has to rally together to catch up.
Ah.
لسه قدامي كتير.
Guys, please ping me Farah. Ping me Farah.
Don't fret.
Our team needs to fight hard to close the gap.
Over there!
Justice reigns from the ground.
This motherfucker is so annoying, man. He's 1 HP all the time.
Our team has to rally together to catch up. The opposing team has entered the final stretch.
Hope this helps.
Guys, I can't play. I'm sorry. I'm so pissed. This motherfucker doesn't let me play.
You'll have to try harder than that.
Enemy spotted.
Come here to get healed.
30 seconds left. Our team has to rally together to catch up.
I can't play.
30 seconds remaining.
Rain justices from above.
10 seconds remaining. It was a hard
Go
fight,
get them,
but they
Tiger.
won this round.
It's impossible, man.
The
Impossible.
score is 1-2.
Ah.
You can really tell who the playmakers are. Coming up next, it's time for Clash.
These vibes will heal you.
The teams are gearing up. Every choice is crucial.
Deadly. Deadly. I just hyped you. Oh, this motherfucker Farah is destroying our ass. And I don't know what to select. What is that? Hidden ally bow. I don't care about allies. Attack speed, ammo restore, unscoped.
Only 20 seconds remain before the action begins.
Let's try this one. I don't know, man. How are you doing, Jetly?
Gotta go quick.
We're at the match point. The team needs to give it their all to make their comeback. 3, 2, 1.
Negative.
Commencing attack on objective B.
Man, this game got me so addicted. Ah, really?
The objective goes live in 10.
Sleep tight.
I see an enemy. The objective's online.
Oh my god, man, this motherfucker doesn't die. Jetly, how is the mic sound? Is it too long? Too low, or is the mic sound is low compared to the game?
On my turn. Move up at my position.
Oh shit. Got you. You mumble. What is mumble? You mumble. I think I killed this guy. Good job, man.
I still have some fight in me. Enemy in sight.
我要开空调了。
Ah, fuck you, man. It's louder on both. What about now? Is it better now? They have so many fucking legends, guys.
Hope this helps.
We're doing it, man. I was farming.
I won't give in.
Oh my god. What about now? Is it better now? Stay away from that.
Who's using a tire?
Yeah, it's better for us to lose, man.
Next time. Let's run this play back.
Alright, that was so bad because our characters, our DPS was all short range and nobody was able to kill that flying bird. Therefore, I was trying to kill that motherfucker and I couldn't heal anyone. Dun, dun, dun, dun. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bam, bam. How was your day? How did you clean the pool? Was it hard? Easy? Were you alone or with someone else? Legend. Can group within 5 divisions. Can group within 10 divisions. Can group within 15 divisions. Okay. Bam, bam, bam, bam, bam. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. I just started working today. Text me in plugin. Wait, text me. I'm plugging USBs and power bank in. Okay. I'll be sleeping, brother. This is gonna be my last game probably, and I will sleep. But if you want, we can play tomorrow. Like 10 hours later, maybe. No, sorry, not 10 hours. Like 15 hours later, we can play together.
The teams are going head to head in control. Now that's what I call a competitor.
Okay, nice. This time we have Cassidy, which can fly in objects. 2 days is 50 hours. Not today, man. I didn't say today. 15 hours. 15 hours. Like tomorrow, around 5 p.m. for me. Yeah, 15.
Hold on to your hard drives,
E
folks. The game is about to begin. Looks
Man,
like
I
the
love Ana.
heavy hitters are coming
I'm so
to
addicted to Ana and Overwatch new game mode.
Welcome to the armory. Time for the teams to gear up.
Non-scope. Do they have a flying character? Oh no, just this one. We don't care about that. We go for power weapon and attack speed and airborne. Maybe we can kill the character, the healer.
Fortified. Negative.
I really enjoy the dash ability, which is so fun.
Isaiah. Thank you.
Not bad at you, sure.
You
Something
have
special.
learned well. This team's got it.
Now that's how it's done.
The arena is calling. Our teams have 20 seconds left.
I'm in.
Ah,
You could teach me a thing or two.
La-
Don't you blush? You
Negative.
sure is something special.
No. Hi.
Good work, partner.
3,
alien kind.
capture the objective.
No names. How about you liking my halo? Hello.
Come over here. I won't let you fall. Launching hostile.
The objective is now active.
This guy is probably a beginner. He didn't see me.
Negative.
I'm dead.
Enemies left here. We're outnumbered. Be careful.
Come on, guys, we are so split.
Let's increase our pace.
Lissa och den tier.
Nice, nice.
Come to my position.
Who took my dentures?
Nice.
That's a round one. Let's check the standings. 1-0. I can hardly believe my optics when I see stats like
Let me disable it. I forgot about that. Wait.
Next up, who's ready to start the push?
Okay, now you're good to go.
Now's
I
the
have
time for our
I have
teams to
disabled
work
it.
out their strategies.
Okay, so I'm going to select this one because there's a small guy which is annoying, and we're gonna select this one, and we're good to go. This is gonna allow me to slip the enemy even if I miss. I think you will no longer see ass, bro. Okay, we have a dash. Can I go with one more dash? Wait. If I delete this, I think I will be able to select 2 jumps. Nice. And this one. And no, not this one. Nothing else. Come on. All right. We have two dashes. 1, 2. Which is crazy good. You can escape.
No.
The arena is calling. Our teams have 20 seconds.
Please let me know if the audio is higher or lower than my microphone.
Hello.
Let me see if I can increase the FOV. No, it's full. Look, Jed, look. 1, 2. You go faster and
5 in 10.
Keep an eye out.
behind you. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Nice. These guys are so bad. Lower it? What? Lower what?
My ultimate is charged. Taking the lead.
I can't hear you.
I won't let you fall. Down the barricade.
Gotcha.
Rescue that robot. Much better.
Oh.
They're catching up. We have to stop them. Silly.
Behind me. Okay, it's good. Let me lower it a bit. That's crazy, man. I swear I love this movement tactic.
للسوداني كتير.
60 seconds remaining.
Negative.
Yeah.
Watching your back. Nano boost is charging.
Pushing ahead!
I'll be right there.
Who took my dentures? Only time on fire! Yes, 457.
Hit them all.
Close your eyes. No. Don't fret. I see you.
Good luck, Sweaty.
Oh shit.
Eyes on target. أنا محدش يقدر عليا.
Got you. Bro, behind you. Kill that guy.
This is our last
Enemy in sight.
Easy. Minute shy of
Nice.
Here's our score. 2-0.
Damn, this was crazy.
Let's have a look at our MVP.
We really did good, small guy. We slapped him.
Coming up, the teams are facing off in clash. What tactics will the teams come up with this round?
Nano boost also gives 30 increased attack speed and 25% ultimate charge. This is good, huh? But I enjoy the other one. I enjoy this one. If you headshot, the guy gets disappeared. So good. So if I select this one, it's gonna remove this, okay? So you have to be careful to not mess up with your setup. You need to select one which is not gonna replace the one that you have selected already. So I'm going to select this one just to
Only
complete,
20 seconds left until we
and
kick
this one.
round off.
All the others is gonna replace the existing ability. So you have to select properly.
ازيك؟
We're at the match point. Just one more round and they win it.
How do you do? How do you select your abilities?
3, 2, 1. Commencing attack on objective B.
Do you also check about these settings or you just ignore them?
The objective unlocks in 10 seconds.
He's gonna come.
The objective's online.
The Eye of Horus watches over you.
Look, he's low.
I see you. Being fortified.
Nice shot. I saw that.
Negative.
My ultimate is ready.
My ultimate is charged.
They take the
Nano
point.
boost is charging.
Moving
Nano
up
boost
to
is charging.
objective A.
Dragon Spiral Cyber Ninja Jaja!
I'll keep you up.
Deal with it.
Nah, man, these guys have no
Countrymen it's shy of the devil's
nothing to do.
The objective fly.
These guys have nothing good against us.
Rendezvous. My ultimate is charging. Careful.
I think they are just trying to.
It's a countryman it's shy of the devil's lunch.
This guy is not doing well. Was so easy. Unfortunately, I feel guilty when we destroy the enemies. But yeah, sometimes we also need to win. Okay, let's try again, and I will go to sleep after this. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. man, and it's already 12. No time to rest. But I'll be fine. I'm a strong man. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. Should I use this one? Let's see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna decrease the graphic settings?
Welcome to Blizzard World.
I will not leave a broken
The
world behind.
Protoss feed
No.
on light, but you do not have to.
Nobody's here at the moment. Wait, my aimbot doesn't work. Let me fix this. Alright, alright. Yes, now it's working. Man, it sucks when you don't have the ability of dash. It's really bad. Once you get used to your in-game abilities, it sucks to not having the option to dash and oops, people are coming. People are coming.
La Arena.
Oh,
Negative.
oh, oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Gotcha, I think.
Patched up.
They left. Alep was still here. Come here, boy.
Understood. You have learned well. That must be. The Eye of Horus watches over you.
Bunku. Nice. Well, good there.
Victory calls in the stadium. First up, time to face off in control. You just know this one's trouble.
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Deadly, I think you have slept. Man, what is this level? DPS low, tank is low. I'm not sure if this guy was the previous enemy tank. I'm not sure.
Hold on to your hard drives, folks. The game is about to begin. Folks, this is a match you'll want to watch. Welcome to the Armory. It's time for the teams to consult their playbooks.
Okay. Disrupt and defob with an empowered sleep dart. Should we go with this one? No, I don't like that. We go with pure sleep dart. What are the enemies? Okay, there is no flying characters, which is good. We're good.
Hush, little baby. This team's got strength and feel. You've got what it takes. Aren't you just pretend? You're a legend.
3, 2,
Copy
1.
that.
Time to capture the objective.
Let's lower this game sound, man. I think I'm getting annoyed because it's too loud.
Stand up straight.
The objective goes live in 10.
Getting drowsy? I see you.
The objective's open.
Tank is dead.
Enemy slept here. That's one thing.
No, how I died, man.
I won't give in.
That was a perfect shot, man. So good.
Come here to get healed.
I'll show you, Meta.
Come over here. Rest up, old man. I grew tired of fighting alone. Healed up. Stand up straight.
We have come.
Getting drowsy. Enemy in sight. Eyes on a target. Hope this helps.
Go, tank.
Healed up.
Oh shit, oh shit. Push. Nah. Nah. I couldn't heal anybody. I couldn't anyone.
I still have some
So bad.
Score 0-1. Some
I mean-
intense competition this round.
Nobody was dying, man. Look at this. One kill.
Up next, let's push.
Let's push. Okay, I'm going to lower my graphics settings. I think I feel like my game is lagging. I didn't like this. Off. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I really felt like it's lagging so hard.
The teams are gearing up. Every choice is crucial.
Alright. We go with the jump. One jump here and another one is not here. Where is it? Survival gadget. Has to be this one. Okay. And we go armor 2 and this is good.
The teams have 20 seconds left to prepare for the round.
I think I did like this, man. Larger shot, attack speed. If I go with this one, how can I select? Oh shit. I messed up. I really messed up. Never mind. We'll go with this.
negative.
This is good too.
3, 2, 1. Capture the objective. The objective goes live in 10.
I've got you. I keep you up. Enemy in sight. They took him from us. Healing fortified. Hope this helps. Accept one. They'll have to try harder than that. We've lost possession of the robot. I am unbreakable. Healing fortified.
60 seconds remaining.
Securing the bag.
The bounty's been played.
We need to stop them.
Oh shit.
30 seconds remaining.
bye.
Believe my optics when I see stats
Moira iyiydi ya.
coming up next.
Moira harika valla.
For clash.
Dun.
Time for the teams to gear up.
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Where is my dash, man? Ah, it's here. Let's sell this and go with this one.
Only 20 seconds remain before the action begins.
Param, pararam, param, param, param, pararam, pararam. All good. We are all set. Let's go.
No.
Three, two, one. Commencing attack on objective B.
No. Yes.
10 seconds until the objective's unlocked.
I've got you.
The objective's live.
I'm here. Keep fighting.
Moira's making everyone her test subject.
Stand up straight.
Good job. Did you get Genji? Genji, what behind me?
They take the objective. They're advancing to objective C. The objective goes live in 10.
We need fortified.
The objective's open. I'm ready home.
I'll show you better.
Watches over you.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Çok iyiydi ya.
You have learned well. My ultimate is ready. Nano boost is ready to deploy. Hope this helps.
Ben ne yaptım oğlum öyle ya?
One of these days I'll end up in Fiji.
İki kişinin arasında kaldık ya.
The objective unlocks in 10 seconds.
Didn't you kill anyone? No man, we so bad.
Over there.
Who took my dentures?
Enemy in sight.
Soldiers hiding, right? I think soldiers behind us.
No, no.
This tank is so bad, man. Yat aşağı lan.
Here's our score. 2-1. Let's have a look at our MVP.
Terbiyesiz gelmiş arkadan bizi vuracak ya. Artist misin oğlum?
Rev those engines. It's time for
Ama Allah'tan adamın tankları fazla iyi değil.
Now's the time for our teams to work out their strategies.
Dararan dan dan. Abi niye bunu değiştiriyorsun bana ya? Bence bozmayalım ha. Böyle kalsın. Başka bir şey kalmadı alacağımız. Open jammer. Değil de pop demiş. Takipmanız taksim.
The teams have 20 seconds left to prepare for the round.
Başka bir şey alabiliriz. Can kaçırabiliyorsun bununla adamlardan. Hadi bunu alalım. La la la la.
Negative.
Good job guys.
Yes.
We're at the match point. Just one more round and they win it all. 3, 2, 1. Let's get to it. The opposing team reached the first checkpoint. The payloads are big and
Can't heal you.
My ultimate is fully charged. Get in there.
Who took my
Oh my god.
team's halfway to the finish line. We're absolutely pulling away with this race.
Oh my god, man. What am I doing? I saw, guys, sorry. I threw.
Nano boost is ready.
Do we have ult? Nuke? Oh my god.
Bana bir şey attı sanki o ya.
Hiçbir şey anlamadım. Don't die.
This is not the end.
Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
Come over here. Nodding off.
It was a hard fight, but they dominated this round. Let's check the standings. 2-2. You can really tell who the playmakers are. Coming up,
Elimizden geleni
the
yaptık.
teams are going head to head in control. What tactics will the teams come up with this round?
Sleep that can hit allies, healing 80 of their max life over 4 seconds instead of putting them to sleep. Phantom Duty. Hadi bu olsun. Bu neymiş? Yok ya, bunlar çok şey götürüyor benden alırsam eğer. Boş ver. X'leri çok fazla. Sen bana karanlık gibi geliyor ya, niye böyle? Hiç normal değil.
Only 20 seconds remain before the action begins.
Hay Allah. Benim gözüme böyle geldi acaba.
No. Negative.
The teams are neck and neck, but this round decides the match.
Çok keyif alıyorum valla ben bu karakterle oynamayı ya.
3, 2, 1. Capture the objective.
No. Careful.
The objective unlocks in 10 seconds. The objective's live. Let's go! What a play by Soldier 76!
Old man.
Bounties off the board.
No. No, no, no, no, no.
My ultimate is almost ready. I'll keep you up. My ultimate is ready. Get in there and I will do it. My position. Nothing off.
No way.
No. Hope this helps.
Good job.
You love to see it, folks.
FPS'im niye düşüyor anlamadım ben ya. Çok düşüyor hem de. Benim puanım daha fazla. Niye ben olmadığım şey PvP? Abi FPS'im çok düşüyor benim. Niye böyle oldu bir anda? Yavşağa bak ya, bizi mahvetti orada. Benim uyku saati geldi arkadaşlar. Teşekkür ederim geldiğiniz için. Good night.